Alrighty, everybody, I'm back today. Going over some things that we're going to be doing to the 2018 Chevy Camaro Zl1. So today we decided we're going to be changing this OEM wing right here, one that usually comes with the car. We're going to be changing it to the 1LE carbon fiber wing to match the carbon fiber in the front. Plus, if you watch some of my other videos, you'll probably see some of the carbon fiber that the car already has on here. So this is the wing now we have on here. I did watch some tutorials on how to do it, so I am aware of it because we're going to be going through step by step with me. This is the new wing right here. Carbon fiber. So we bought this. Huh? Yeah, we taped it so it doesn't scrape up. We bought this used from somebody actually, but
hold on. Just to clarify, this isn't actually tape, it's just stretch tape so it won't damage the...
Yeah. Bought this from somebody that took it off his ZL1 because he traded it in. And he mentioned that it was the original Chevy ZL1 wing, but we honestly don't think so. We're looking more towards, what is it, ZL1 add-ons? What was it called?
It's the carbon, or the Anderson composite one.
Anderson composite. I mean, they're on back order anyways. So, I mean, it helps that we actually found one in good condition. It looks literally like brand new. So, let's open the trunk real quick, Randy. So, if you guys can see, it has the 3 places here that you have to remove the screws. So we kind of already pulled this one off, but we kept the screw on, so there, I don't know if we can see it in here. Probably not even see it with the sun. There's a screw here, there's a screw here. You do have to remove this right here because there's 2 screws somewhere up here. And there's the 2 right here. Can we see that tool that you're using? So this is something I would recommend here to help you remove these if you wanted to.
Not these.
Not these.
To help you remove these. These ones you can just remove with your hands. Really easy.
I've seen people kind of remove it with these too, but yeah. All right, so we're gonna remove this one, and then we'll come right back. So once we get all these little pieces removed here, I think there should be a total of how many? 3, 7. Then
you have to remove this.
You have to remove it?
Yeah. So this one's a plastic part. It's like a plastic cover. And from my understanding, you remove this, just pops right out, and then it should just slide off like really hesitational.
Just like that.
So then you can just lower this down. I've seen some people even just remove it in general just to back it up, but I'm not going through that.
Well, let's see. So these are the 2 little things right over here that I was telling you about for the middle one. So we're going to be taking these off, and once we take off the screws, we'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so we got most of the screws. We left one here, one on the other side. We took these ones out, so you just have to be careful when you're playing with these. This one was easy to take off with our little gun, but the one up here was not, so we used a 10mm to get in there. Oh, hold on, I want to film this. So another thing that we did notice is if you look right here, I don't know if you probably can't see it, but between, like in here, there's a little white tab that, from my understanding, needs to be squeezed both ways after you remove the screws to pinch this out. There's one on each side, but there isn't one in the middle, so you don't have to worry about it in the middle, but one on each side. So some people tell me to use screwdrivers. I would just be careful just so that you don't like break it. But yeah, we'll come back as soon as we get that off. We'll show you how we're gonna take it off. I know there's a 3M tape between here. Alrighty guys, just updating you a little bit. So we did get all the little screws out. Should be a total of 6. So like I said, there's the white connectors in the middle. There's one here, one there. We do recommend you buying a magnet. Randy did buy a magnet off of eBay or Amazon. I think Amazon. That has a light, because one of these did actually fall down here. Thankfully it didn't go all the way down. It got stuck somewhere up here and we were just able to pull it out with the magnet. But so as you can see, I mean, it's perfectly on there, and this doesn't have any screws. This is just the tape holding it in. So I'm not gonna have you on when I'm trying to remove it with the tape. I wanted to do, a lot of people are telling me to use like Fisher wire. I don't want to do that. I feel like it's going to scratch the car. I tried the little knitting wire, a little yarn or whatever it's called. Yeah, that does not work. It's way too light. But let's hope for the best. We're going to just try to like yank it off of here. We're going to start one side at a time. So we'll be back as soon as we figure out a way to get this off. Alright guys, so we got it off. So this is how it should look without it. I mean, this is one of the 3M tapes stuck on here. the other one. So you gotta just be careful when you're removing it to like prevent scratches and stuff, especially if you have a lighter color. So this is how the wing looks. These were the white little brackets I was telling you about. There's one on this side, one on this side. The way we were able to do it, we didn't use anything really other than this heat gun here. This heat gun really did help.
You can also get it off of Amazon.
Yeah, he bought it off of Amazon, so we used that just to heat up the little areas and slowly push it out. It does get a little bit tricky, so my suggestion for you guys is probably keep one or two, like keep these bolts maybe on when you're going through with it until you have the like the adhesive on here.
Should we remove this?
Pretty high. No, keep it on, keep it on. Yeah, keep it on. Actually,
I think we should remove
it. Alrighty guys, so let's I'll follow up when we're putting this one back onto the car. Alrighty guys, so now we have it on here for you guys. Sorry that I didn't like really show you the putting on process. Very simple. You literally, I mean, we put 3M tape down here. I used the original one down here, so that's why you can still kind of see it here. But we did put some 3M tape on each side, and we just tightened everything back up. So if you like reverse the video, you'll see like the process. It wasn't nothing extra. This one does not have the little these little white things here, so you don't have to worry about those. Just has 2, 2, 2. And where's that garbage 3M tape? So we used this 3M tape, but honestly, we kind of saw that it was kind of garbage. It barely was sticking on there. But I feel like it looks cleaner. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the description if you guys think it was worth it. If not, then let me know as well if you guys like the original white one a little bit better. We got the carbon fiber on there now. Sheesh! Alrighty guys, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to see more videos of the car, some of the other cars we have, and some Pokemon cards, of course. Don't forget the Pokemon cards. Alrighty, thank you guys.